Shauna Turner of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a tiny tip for how to have a less cluttered looking space. So a lot of us have binder clips like these, right? And binder clips can be tricky to store because they're an odd shape, right? It's almost like something that has a bunny with ears or something like that. And especially the big ones like this are hard. They can jam a drawer if you have a shallow desk drawer. So what I suggest is if you have binder clips, particularly the big ones, when you want to put them in the drawer, fold them closed. This is much easier to store either this way or lined up this way in your drawer than when it's open. So fold them up smaller for a less cluttered look.